What is a vector database? Artificial intelligence applications are generating a new kind of data, and storing and searching that data requires a new kind of database. That is where vector databases come in. To understand vector databases, you first need to understand embeddings. When an AI model processes text, images, or audio, it converts them into numerical representations called vectors. These vectors capture the meaning and relationships within the data. Two sentences with similar meanings will have vectors that are close together in mathematical space. A traditional database stores and retrieves data by exact match. You search for a specific value and it finds it. A vector database stores and retrieves data by similarity. You search with a query, and it finds the most semantically similar results. This is called nearest neighbor search. Vector databases are the foundation of modern AI applications. They power semantic search engines, recommendation systems, chatbots with memory, and retrieval-augmented generation pipelines. When you ask an AI assistant a question, and it retrieves relevant context from a knowledge base, a vector database is almost certainly involved. Popular vector databases include Pinecone, Weaviate, Chroma, Drent, and Vector for PostgreSQL. For engineers and data professionals, understanding vector databases is increasingly essential. As AI applications move from experiments to production systems, vector databases are a core infrastructure component. If you are building or working with AI applications, this is a technology you need to know.